Who y'all think you fucking with, acting like I ain't one duck and fish? Plus dunking this fucking bitch coming quick trying to predict what's in this. See me be king running this, loving shit, pumping clits up with dick. Busted in comes the kids, one thing insisting this is the chosen Lord. So I show the Lord holding his sword, blows his chorus for his kids. It's still inflicted without bitch get in this cloud nine I find. Mine body is alive, plus I'm ready to get Freddy like nightmares are deadly. Heavy as that steady beat, letting me rap in ink, pen and street stepping clean. So now who's pedaling to get lost or come to hell and get fucking tossed? Y'all already lost y'all steady fonts. The gay parade is way you're late. Play your game, slaves your flame, blaze your brains away like charades. Mike's the player, Antichrist major, in your night's flame, hurt in your souls. Lurking Lord's cold, searching for those, hurt for show. Bitch get fucked lit, bust this. Ass in clash and glass in, he asked me to save him asleep. Blazing the geeks, raging the street is like breaking the sheet. With blatant scene, keep me in your thoughts. Once house has caught that ass is the toughest off cause. Y'all lost y'all souls, is gold to show these souls why I'm chosen. So throw them bows, soldiers no golden blows, struggling loads of fists untold. Bitch just know this one shows his love goes from hope to get heavenly rope. Settling those heavily told, bitch make bros, bring that hatred that kid bold. Bitch on hidden grass, searching for ass to smash on. Blacked out lad, had to fake of listening to glisten instead of winding up missing. Plus grinding the witness, not minding his business is why we insisted. Might be this distant crying bitch, big man lying in his bed. Trying his kid with godly's gift is wicked, who really got tricked sick. Bitch lick dick till nut spits out a godly dick, slapping it around. What's found is hot palm the ground, shook from thunderous sound. The fuckers is proud judgment, been found and I'm caught in his crown. Nothing is louder than kind, proudest be seen to hound in the scene. Now disbelieve in me and I'll fuck you up in the end. Bitch, man, this is the ending I'm giving like I'm sending flowers after the showers. Towers, tower, big acting fit, but truly packing like a little bitch. Mike the sizzle prick like a little bit, and I'm the crippled gift. Why does pistol spit like a missile rips by the dismal bitch? Try cause it's cool, this time wasn't pulling my eyes untied. Must I see how I see till 380s, I would NBA anyway. Men be gay when he strays after me, capturing AIDS, angels like grape. Bet slaves be brave, godly giving waste and dropping into flames. Brave bitch names this way, I'm here to fucking dismantle my slaves. Braved in ways I say is paid to infiltrate your dismal state. Bitch will think hatred as Satan's sacred placement. Name this, take it to school, get ruled by stool. Cruel ghoul, act like a fool. That dyke does pull in the pool of blood. Everyone ground and gripping around, bitch. Sick as I, bitches. My adversary has his hairy ass lit in the bliss. I'm truly fucked up.